Can you use another example of constructors using inheritance reference base class? Yes. So for example, our graphics, actually our CPU, something we know pretty much all CPUs have is the amount of cores that a CPU has. So let's go ahead and say public int count of cores, get private set. So basic automatic property, read-only automatic property setup we have here. Now let's give it a constructor. Let's say public CPU int count of cores, and let's say count of cores equals count of cores. So now, because I've declared a constructor here, the class that inherits from this type, it requires that I pass in or fulfill the constructor that's parameterized on the base class. And that constructor is this, which is currently the only constructor in this entire class. Therefore, it must be invoked by the base or the child class's constructor.